Here's a breakdown of the most common ways to earn money for Facebook content creators. In-stream ads. Earn money by including ads in your eligible videos. Paid subscriptions. Offer exclusive content to your most dedicated followers for a recurring monthly fee, fostering a more dedicated community. Facebook stars. Fans can purchase and send you stars, a virtual currency, as a form of support during your live videos, on-demand videos, reels, photos, and text posts, and you earn a small amount for each star received. Performance bonuses. Receive payments for creating engaging content that performs well and receives high engagement. Brand collaborations, sponsored content. Partner with brands to create content that promotes their products or services. Facebook Marketplace. List and sell items directly on Facebook's platform to local buyers. The narration is informative and encouraging, guiding listeners on how to monetize their Facebook presence.